Hi, today we will talk about the installation process of a most convenient and easy tools invoice generator through which you can manage all your invoices. So for the installations you have to double click on the installer. So I have already downloaded it. So once you have to double click on that. Then it will open a wizard for you. You have to click on a next. Then you have to select the folder where you want the installation of the software. You can change it by clicking on a browse button. Otherwise you can directly clicking on a next button. Then you have to confirm the installation by clicking on a next button. Then you have to wait till the installation complete. Once it's complete, you will see the dialog over there, installation complete. It says that the installation has been completed. You can directly clicking on a close button. After installation, once you come back to the desktop, you can find a new icon, invoice generator over there. So this is the tools. You can say a window application through which you can manage all your invoices. To open that one, you can directly double click on that one. Then it will ask for the confirmation. Once you confirm, it will open a dialog for the password where you have to type the default password. As you have did a first time installations, then your default password is admin. You can change this later. Yeah. So this is the tools through which you can manage all your invoices. Hi, our last video is about the installation process. So this video is more about the configurations, how you can configure your application. Once you enter into the applications, you can find two options over there, invoice and master. So today we talk about some master data, like how you can configure your applications. So it has multiple options called companies, currency, item, configurations and email setting. So we are first talk about the companies. The companies are the name of the companies on which you have to generate the bills. Like I want to generate a bill for a SCL, for AlgoWorks, for TechAzon. So let's say that my company is a company 1 and I have to generate a bill for company 2. So I have to write the company 2 name over there. So for the demo purposes, I'm using some dummy names. Address, I'm using some address dummy. So this I'm using. Once you save, you can see that the details listed over there. So you can find two options over there, update and delete. If you do not want this value, you can delete. If you want to update anything, you can update it from there. So let's add some details over there. So yeah, here we have added three companies. Now if you do not want anything, you can directly clicking on a delete button. So I do not want to see dummy company 3. So to delete that, I have to click on a delete button. It will ask for the confirmation whether you want to delete it or no. If you're clicking on a no, it will do nothing. But if you want to delete it, then you're clicking on a yes. Once you click, you can see that the dummy company 3 is deleted now. Now we only have the two registered company, dummy company 1 and dummy company 2. If you want to change anything, like you want to change the address for the dummy company 2, you just have to double click on that and you can change the address over there. Like you can see, I want to use the address called Noida, UP. If I want to use that address, so after changing, I just only have to click on update. So it will update the details for me. Similarly, if you want to update the company name, then you can change the company name over there, and like I want to change it to the TechAzon, and I want to click on an update, so it will update for me. Similarly, now moving to the other configurations. Now we have the other configurations called currency. Once you are moving to the one form to the another, so what happen? It will open a confirmation like you are moving from one form to another and a form is already open. Do you want to close this or you want to open a new one? If you click on a no, then nothing happens. But if you click on a yes, then this form's close and it will open a new form for currency for you so that you can register currency over there. So I'm clicking on a yes. So this form is similar. What we see about the companies. Now here we can register the currency in a similar currency over there. You can register as many currency you can. So this is the currency what displayed on the PDF that was generated as a print. So this I'm selling, I'm providing services. If I have some products, so whatever the products I have to register it over there. So I'm just writing some dummy name, product 1. You can register as many you can. Product 2, item 1, item 2. For dummy purposes, I just added some random names, product 1, product 2, item 1, item 2. Similarly, we have options called update and delete. These options are similar what you see for currencies for companies. So we are not going to discuss again about the update and delete. So it's the same functionality. Now I'm moving to the next configuration called configuration option over there. So this is the main configurations. Once you're clicking on that, you will get the confirmation whether you want to close this one or you want to move to a new one. So I just want to move to a new one. So I'm clicking on a yes. So yeah, so this configurations is your application configuration which decides that what logo to be displayed, your company name, your company address, your contact details, the currency to be displayed, job prefix like how the invoice to be generated, owner name, owner contact number, your app password. This is the password you used to log in into the application. Right now the password is admin. If you want to change, you can directly change it from there. Now the print orientation is up, down and left, right. Like suppose this is an A4 size sheet and you want to split a print inside the customer copy and a company copy in an up, down, that the first copy is the company copy and the down copy is the customer copy. So this is the print orientation. Similarly in a left and a right way. So let's start the configuration. So I'm selecting some logo over there. So yeah, so I can select this one as a logo. So here you can see a print preview over there. Like what the logo you have selected, it just shows here. Now you can add your company details over there. So I'm just writing tech as on. Address I'm just using some dummy address. I'm just copying it from the biller name. Contact number, it's actually a string text. You can use whatever you want. So there is no validation. You can use any format over there. So right now I'm just using some random mobile number over there. This is actually I just select as a biller contact number. Currency option, actually you have two options what you registered inside the master data about the currency, Indian rupee and US dollar. So I just selected the Indian rupee over there. Job prefix is something like how the bills to be generated. It start from one or it start from something else. Like if you want to generate starting with the numbers like UI001 and P001. So you can use the prefix over there. So I just use the prefix P00. So it means that the bill generated with P00 and start with 1. Owner name and owner contact number actually the same thing, the biller name and the biller contact number, but you can use a different name as well. So right now I'm using the owner name as some I can use a test, and the contact number I am using 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 times 9 I'm using.